Business First Look, brought to you by Southern Colorado Business Forum and Digest.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Business First Look here on KKTV. I'm your host, Dirk Hobbs, and I'm hanging out with Lah Small, who is the founder and CEO of a great company here in town, a cancer research company. It's privately based here in Southern Colorado. Welcome, Lah.
Thank you, Dirk. Good to be here.
What's the name of your company?
The name of the company is Lah Javida.
Lah Javida, and that means something to you.
It certainly does, yes. It means the gift of life in two different languages.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, you were originally founder and CEO of CTI Technologies here in Colorado Springs. You guys were the ones that invented the dye that goes into the Coors Light can. But what you quickly found through a peer group of yours over there is there's actually some interesting behaviors that this dye has as it relates to cancer cells.
Yeah, so we're a dye company, right? CTI is a company that works with dyes, and this particular dye is unique. It was developed by somebody that I had hired, and the idea was that this dye would be injected into patients, and you could tell that the surgeon where to cut, because it'd stick to cancer cells. It'll stick to 30 different kinds of cancer.
30 different kinds of cancer cells.
That's
okay.
Right. So back in 2009, I got the idea that maybe we could attach things to this dye and have it act as a delivery system.
Okay.
So that was the origin of the idea. We filed a patent on it back then, and since then we've been working on a potential treatment for patients, and it's getting interesting.
Very
That's
good.
why I'm here with you today.
So you're doing some controlled studies with mice right now. How do things look?
Yeah, the latest information is that it looks really, really impressive. So we've tested both lung cancer and colon cancer and seen fantastic activity with this dye attached to standard chemotherapy drugs. So we've taken the dye, put a linker system that dissolves only inside of cancer cells, and the chemotherapy drug. So when it's all attached, when you have the dye, the linker, and the drug, the compound called the conjugate is safe in the circulatory system. So you turn off the chemo drug and you deliver via the dye the chemo drug to the site of the tumor, anywhere in the body.
You turn off the chemo drug
until
it arrives at the tumor.
Yeah. So we're using the chemistry of the tumor cell against it, right? So the dye sticks to the cancer cell, doesn't stick to healthy cells because tumor cells are different. They're also different in the chemistry inside of them.
Okay.
And the linker that we've used for this system dissolves only in the presence of tumor cells. So when the dye takes the chemo drug inside the tumor cell, the linker dissolves, turning on the chemo drug.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, Lah, what's the next step for Lah Javida?
Oh boy, the next step. The next step is to raise some more money and do some more trials.
Okay.
So we've got lung cancer coming up in mice in the next couple of months. Really excited about the potential here. We're going to find out really if we can shrink the tumor. We're injecting 10 times more of this compound because it's safe into these animals, and we hope to shrink a lung cancer tumor in mice.
Right. Well, let's hope that you guys get across the finish line. A long journey, but a great, worthwhile experiment. And congratulations on your success thus far.
Thank you so much, and thanks for having me.
Very good. All right, folks, if you want to learn more about this particular agency, go to lahjavida.com. That's LAHJAVIDA.com. Thanks, Lah.
Thank you.
This has been Business First Look with host Dirk Hobbs, brought to you by Southern Colorado Business Forum and Digest.